Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the properties, uses of nylon, rayon, polyester. Now today we are going to discuss about some general properties of all synthetic fibers. See here, first property you can say that strength. It is very important property of synthetic fibers, and the strength of synthetic fibers is very high. That means they can resist a lot of force without breaking. That means it is very difficult to break synthetic fibers, okay, as compared to natural fibers. And from our routine life we are seeing that it is very easy to break a thread of cotton, wool, silk, whereas it is very difficult to break a thread of nylon and polyester. And second property is what? Elasticity. Elasticity means that we can stretch synthetic fibers very easily, or we can say that we can stretch synthetic fibers to a large extent, and when we release the force that we have applied to stretch that synthetic fibers, they regain their shape, okay, and whereas natural fibers do not regain its shape. And third property, as you are seeing, is what? Water absorption. And if I talk about synthetic fibers, they absorb very little water, and just because of this property, nylon, polyester clothes dry very fast. But on the other hand, if we talk about natural fibers, they absorb a lot of water and take a long time to dry. And fourth point is what? Wrinkle resistance. That means it is very easy to maintain synthetic clothes as compared to natural clothes. That means it is very easy to maintain the clothes that are made from nylon, rayon fibers as compared to the clothes that are made from cotton or silk fibers. And the next property, if I talk about, is inflammability. That means synthetic fibers catches fire very easily. That means they are having a low melting point. They burn up easily as compared to natural clothes. So it is always advised that we should not wear synthetic clothes in kitchens or outdoors near fires, okay. And the last property, see here, is moth resistance. That means the synthetic fibers are not easily attacked by moths, or you can say that insects, whereas natural fibers are easily attacked by moths, okay. And the next topic today we have to discuss is what? Disadvantages of synthetic fibers. And the first disadvantage is that synthetic materials are non-biodegradable. That means they do not decompose like natural products by microorganisms. That means there is a big problem of the disposal of synthetic fibers. That means we can say that they cause what? Environmental pollution. And second point is what? They do not absorb water. As they do not absorb water, that means it is very uncomfortable to wear synthetic clothes in summer, whereas we can easily wear cotton clothes in summer, as they are what? Good absorber of water. Okay. And third point that we have already discussed, that synthetic fibers burn easily. That means they catches fire easily. So it is very dangerous to wear synthetic clothes near the sources of fire. Okay. And fourth is synthetic fibers causes what? Skin problems like rashes or allergies. Hope you have understand the concept, and your homework C is what? That you have to explain all the properties of synthetic fibers in detail, and next you have to write 4 disadvantages of synthetic fibers. I repeat, you have to explain all the properties of synthetic fibers. Second, you have to list 4 disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Okay, so have a nice day. Goodbye.